Hi kids, let's play Which One Doesn't Belong? Phonics Edition.
You're watching Teacher T Kids English TV.
Game rules. 1. Look at the pictures. 2. Say the first sounds in each one. 3. Which one doesn't belong? And 4. Check your answer. Are you ready, kids? Let's play Which One Doesn't Belong? Are you ready? Let's go!
3, 2, 1.
Leaf. Great job, kids.
Yay! 3, 2, 1.
Guitar. Fantastic.
3, 2, 1.
Did you say cup? Well done.
Yay!
3, 2, 1.
Bananas. That's right. Well done, kids.
3, 2, 1.
You guessed it. Pencil it is. Fantastic.
3, 2, 1.
Watermelon. Woohoo. Great job.
3, 2, 1.
Ice cream. Great job, kids.
Whoa! 3, 2, 1.
Did you say tomato? Fantastic.
3, 2, 1.
Bat. Yes. Well done.
Yay!
3, 2, 1.
If you said farm, that's correct. Good job.
3, 2, 1.
Books. Yes. Great job, kids. Keep going. You're doing great.
3, 2, 1.
Egg. Yes, that's right. Egg does not have the D sound. Great job.
3, 2, 1.
Broom. Excellent. Here's a star for you.
3, 2, 1.
Fish. Super. Good going, kids. Well done.
Yay! 3, 2, 1.
Xylophone. Yes, fantastic. Keep going, kids. We're almost to the end.
Yay! 3, 2, 1.
Did you say axe? Then you're correct. Here's a star for you. Well done, kids. Teacher T is so proud of you. You know your phonics. Fantastic. Until the next one, I will see you soon.